Hey business owners and homeowners, do you have windows in your business or home that maybe you want to add more privacy, reduce the UV rays, or maybe you want to add privacy but still let in a lot of light? Well, decorative window film is a perfect alternative to that, and most importantly, it's a very cost-effective method to do that to your windows without having a big budget, without making really big changes. So what we did is we knew that there was a lot to learn about decorative window film, so we created an article that goes over everything that you would want to know when it comes to decorative window film, such as pricing, how we install it, the benefits, and most importantly, the different types of decorative window film options you can choose from. So to take advantage of this and read this article before you make any purchase decisions or before you work with any company, below there's going to be a link. It's going to go to our website, or if you're already on our website, you're probably already watching, and the article is just right below this video. And like I said, it's just going to go over everything that you need to know before you make any big purchase decisions when it comes to decorative window film. And of course, after you read the article, hopefully it answers all your questions. But if you still have any more questions about decorative window film, let us know. We'll be happy to help answer any questions, any concerns, send you free samples, and just help you as best as we can when it comes to your next project. Thank you so much, and let us know if you have any questions.